Welcome to New English Stories. Learn English by listening to beautiful new stories.
The Curious Seedling. Once upon a time, in a cozy garden, there was a little seedling named Sammy. Sammy was a curious seedling, always eager to learn about the world around him. He lived under the shade of a big, wise oak tree. Sammy often gazed up at the oak tree's tall branches and thought, "I want to be as strong and tall as the oak tree one day." But there was a problem. Sammy felt small and unsure of how to grow. One sunny morning, a friendly ladybug named Lucy landed on Sammy's tender leaves. "Why do you look so sad, Sammy?" Lucy asked. Sammy shared his dream of growing tall like the oak tree but said, "I don't know how to do it." Lucy smiled and said, "Every big tree starts as a tiny seed, Sammy. You just need patience, nourishment, and a little effort." She explained how sunshine, water, and good soil could help him grow. Sammy listened carefully and decided to give it his all. He stretched his tiny leaves toward the warm sun, soaking in its energy. He sipped water from the soil and wiggled his roots, just as Lucy had told him. Days turned into weeks, and Sammy began to notice changes. His leaves grew greener, and his stem grew a bit taller. He felt a sense of accomplishment. But there was more to learn. One day, a busy bee named Benny buzzed by. Sammy shyly asked, "Mr. Bee, how can I be as strong as the oak tree?" Benny landed and replied, "Hard work and determination, little seedling. Keep reaching for the sky and never stop trying." Encouraged by Benny's words, Sammy continued his efforts. He pushed his roots deeper into the soil and stretched his leaves higher. He faced rain and wind, but he held on, just like the oak tree. Seasons changed, and Sammy kept growing. He saw other plants blooming around him and felt proud of his progress. The oak tree, noticing Sammy's hard work, shared its wisdom. "Believe in yourself, Sammy. You have the potential to become something great." With renewed determination, Sammy focused on his dream. He kept reaching for the sky and embracing each new day. Slowly but surely, Sammy transformed. He grew taller and stronger, his leaves rustling with confidence. One day, the oak tree's branches and Sammy's leaves intertwined. Sammy had grown to be as tall as his friend, the wise oak tree. His dream had come true. And so, dear learners, remember Sammy's journey. Just like Sammy, you have the power to learn and grow. With patience, effort, and the right guidance, you can achieve your dreams. Embrace each opportunity, just like Sammy embraced the sun, rain, and wind. And one day, you'll stand tall and proud, ready to share your story of growth and success with the world.